Hello, 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 hello. Yes, make una no vex. Network dey do you. Then my son too. I need to attend to am. So make una no vex. Like I was saying before, I say those women wey be say yes. Some of those women wey be say yes. Any small thing they just see for their marriage, maybe their he and their man get issue, they go run go tell friend. They go run go tell friend though that friend will be say yes they no know as she take dey for im own. You no know whether na your own even good pass im own. You no know, you carry you go tell am. E don reach wey be say yes una go get sense. If you be the type wey dey do that kind thing, you don reach wey e be say yes you go get sense. You need to get sense by now because marriage get e own ups and down. E get the time wey be say e go taste sweet, e get the time wey be say yes e go taste bitter. That's why you go dey tell say see you no know as im own still take dey. E no get any man wey be say yes e just dey 100% perfect. Same thing as women. No woman wey be say yes e go just see e go bold come and say yes im dey perfect. E no dey. So e don reach wey be say yes we go use our own brain. We no use hand take scatter wetin we get. Learn to understand your man. Yeah, understand your man. Anything wey e do you forgive am because na your devil. You just can't take am say na your devil. Na your devil na e be. Even your own blood brother wey be say yeah, the same papa the same mama na born una dey quarrel, not to talk of na stranger e be to you, just as you still be stranger to am. So you have to bear with am. Yes, take am as e be. No matter wetin e do you, you are gonna keep the shoe. No matter wetin e do you, you have to forgive. Not dey carry go dey tell outsider because your own no be the worst. Yes, your own no be the worst. I no get much time this evening to waste because as you can see, time don go and we need to sleep. So my wonderful women, abeg make una share to your friends. Share me to the world, share to your friend. If you no fit share me for your post, say yes. You no fit support me for public, just help me share to your friends. That's messenger, so that they can watch me as well. Thank you so much, my wonderful people. Thank you for watching me this evening. I love you guys. Please don't forget to share, follow me on this page, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So my dear wonderful women, now they always they come for yes. So now I go always they come for because why I be woman and I be woman and they see some kind things where be say yes is uncalled for. Yes, you have to keep your home. Learn how to keep your home. You not get any home where be say yes quarrel not dey. You not get anybody will tell you say you and your husband not dey quarrel. Na lie. Na big lie. Na big lie. Yes, na big lie. So I beg my dear wonderful women, I too go love una. So I beg make una learn to tolerate your man no matter what he do you. Yes, so now we must get one or two. You know dey una get the time wey be say una no go take quarrel, but at least the ability for una two to use una head take settle una sef na make una two dey mature. That person wey you go, that your friend wey you go dey tell, wetin make you feel say yes na your own na your own better pass. So na there you know say na there na be the brain wey the sense wey be say e no dey. So e don reach wey be say yes una go get sense, una go use una brain. All the men in this house, I know say yes una go dey say yes, tell them na I dey come with me, I go see come this gwagwa una because e no be only woman I go see the face. But based on say I be woman, more of the topic go dey go for women. So my dear wonderful men, I love una so much. Una no vex, I no get much time this night because time don go. Because I don already make promise say yes I go come live. That's why I just say make I just come this evening come talk the topic so that we go get other issues to analyze, for tomorrow or next. Thank you so much, guys. I love you so much. Have a wonderful evening and good night to you all. One love, guys. Bye, good night.